Unleash your inner energy, master Kundalini with this full body workout at home. Welcome, fellow yogis. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey that will not only strengthen your body but also awaken your inner energy? Today, we'll be exploring the powerful practice of Kundalini Yoga, which offers a full body workout that you can easily do in the comfort of your own home. So, roll out your yoga mat, take a deep breath, and let's dive into the world of Kundalini. Kundalini Yoga, often referred to as the Yoga of Awareness, is an ancient practice that combines physical postures, breathwork, meditation, and mantra chanting. Its primary goal is to awaken the dormant Kundalini energy, which is believed to reside at the base of the spine. When this energy is activated, it rises up through the body's energy centers, or chakras, leading to a state of heightened consciousness and self-realization. To experience the benefits of Kundalini Yoga, it's essential to approach the practice with an open mind and a willingness to explore your inner self. The following sequence offers a full-body workout that will help you tap into your Kundalini energy, leaving you feeling revitalized, balanced, and connected to your true essence. Begin your practice by sitting comfortably in easy pose, with your legs crossed and your hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to relax. Set an intention for your practice, focusing on the awakening of your inner energy. Next, engage in a few rounds of breath of fire, a powerful breathing technique that helps to cleanse the body and stimulate the Kundalini energy. With your mouth closed, inhale deeply through your nose, then exhale forcefully, contracting your abdominal muscles. Continue this rapid breathing for 1 to 3 minutes, keeping your focus on your breath and the movement of energy within your body. Now, let's move into a series of physical postures, or asanas, that will strengthen and stretch your entire body. Start with cat-cow pose, alternating between arching and rounding your spine as you breathe deeply. This movement helps to activate the energy along your spine and stimulate your digestive system. Transition into downward facing dog, a foundational pose that stretches the entire backside of your body and strengthens your arms and shoulders. Hold the pose for several breaths, focusing on lengthening your spine and engaging your core muscles. From downward dog, step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Then rise up into warrior eye, a powerful pose that strengthens your legs and opens your hips. Hold for a few breaths. Then transition into warrior two, opening your arms wide and gazing over your front fingertips. This pose helps to build stamina and improve balance. Continue your practice by incorporating other asanas, such as bridge pose for spinal flexibility, seated forward bend for hamstring and lower back stretching, and child's pose for relaxation and stress relief. Throughout your practice, remember to incorporate mantra chanting and meditation to help focus your mind and deepen your connection to your inner energy. One popular Kundalini mantra is Sat Nam, which means truth is my identity. Chant this mantra silently or aloud as you move through your practice, allowing the vibrations to resonate within you. As you near the end of your practice, take some time for a final relaxation in corpse pose. Allow your body to fully relax and absorb the benefits of your Kundalini workout. As you lie still, visualize the awakened energy flowing freely through your body, bringing balance, healing, and a deep sense of inner peace. Before you leave your mat, take a moment to express gratitude for the time and effort you've dedicated to your practice. Carry this sense of accomplishment and inner connection with you throughout the rest of your day. knowing that you've taken a powerful step toward awakening your Kundalini energy and unlocking your full potential. If you've enjoyed this Kundalini yoga practice and want to continue exploring its transformative power, consider subscribing to our channel for more guided workouts and valuable insights. Together, let's continue on this journey towards self-realization and inner harmony. Sat Nam.